What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Finally, as most of you know, I was deployed for a little bit. They ended up sending some of us home, so thankfully I was one of the lucky ones chosen to come home early. But with that being said, I'm back now and I have a lot of content coming your guys' way. Today I'm headed right now to get the muffler deleted on the 340i. I know a lot of you guys want to delete the muffler on your own vehicles, so why not just do it so you guys can see what it sounds like? And worst case scenario, if I don't like the muffler delete or if it's too loud for my taste, which I highly doubt, then I'll just end up getting an exhaust system anyway. So I'm headed to the exhaust shop right now, but before that, I gotta stop and get something to eat because I'm starving.
Is that all you want?
Yep, that's it.
Alright, $3.99.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. You too. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my McDonald's and I'll catch up with you guys at the exhaust shop. Alright guys, so I'm currently here at the exhaust shop. It's called APE Exhaust, stands for Arkansas Performance Exhaust. They did the axle back on my 428i and I was very happy with them, so I wanted to bring it back for the muffler delete on the 340. Just handed them my keys, so they should be getting to the 340i shortly. So I did tell them I wanted to keep the original exhaust tips, so that's what they're doing right now. They're cutting off both sides of the exhaust tips, and then they're gonna delete the muffler. I just think it'll look much cleaner that way, keeping the stock exhaust tips. So as you can see, the tips on both sides are gone. They're gone on the right side, and as well as the left side. That fitment though. So there you go, the muffler's hanging off right there. It's gonna finish taking it off and then you're gonna get to welding. So it looks like he just finished up. The welds look great, so I think he's gonna start it up real soon, so check it out. Go ahead. Right now they're just checking for exhaust leaks, but after that it's gonna be good to go, and then I'll give you guys some more clips on how it sounds. Alright guys, so first impressions, obviously it sounds really good. I'm pretty happy with it. It does make it louder and it gives it a more of like a deep tone, and that's what I was looking for, honestly. It's kind of why I avoided the resonator delete, because with the resonator delete I feel like it sounds more, not high pitched, but kind of raspy. And I was trying to avoid that raspy sound because I'm not a fan. I mean, to each his own. I'm really happy with it. The pops sound great. There is a little bit of drone, not gonna lie. Very small amount of drone in like certain RPMs only though. Almost not even enough to mention, but since I want to give a good review, I just wanted to mention it. So other than that, you guys know how BMWs are. You really can't hear too much on the inside, and that's great. As far as the flap, I'm actually surprised. So I thought when I deleted the muffler, the flap would no longer work when you put it in comfort or sport. When you put the BMW in sport mode, the flap opens to make it louder, and when you put it back in comfort, it closes. So I don't know why I thought that flap was located somewhere within the muffler, but it's not, because it seems to still be working. Because I kept the stock tips on the exhaust, I was able to plug in that wire that controls the flap again. And like I said, it seems to still be working. You know, as you guys heard in the sound test, I get lots of pops in Sport Plus, but in Comfort, I don't really get pops at all, to be honest. So, and that's because that flap is closed. You can actually hear it close and open as you're switching through the modes. So I thought that was pretty cool. And so for those of you that don't know, I am currently running with a catless downpipe from VRSF. So the sound that you hear is not only a muffler delete, it's also a catless downpipe. So it might be a little louder than if you guys were just to get a muffler delete with your stock cat. But it sounds really good paired together. Like I said, there's no rasp, you know, there's no high-pitched noise. It's just a very rich, deep tone, and that's what I was looking for. So I'm very happy with that. I don't foresee myself switching up the exhaust system anytime soon. Maybe down the line I'll get a full exhaust system, but as far as like axle back exhaust system, I'll probably stay away from for right now. All in all, I'm very happy with how it turned out. It's exactly how I expected it to turn out, to be honest. Nothing more, nothing less. So no disappointments here. I really like the way it sounds now. So if you're in Arkansas, hit up Ape, Arkansas Performance Exhaust. They do a really good job. They don't cut corners. They always do it the correct way. He did a really good job, made multiple cuts, multiple welds to make sure that everything fit properly. So shout out to Ape. If you're in Arkansas, hit them up. And that just about wraps it up for today's video. If you guys have any questions about the muffler delete, please feel free to hit me up on my Instagram at Matwire. And if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button. Like I said, a lot more content to come in the near future with me being back from this deployment. And just like that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.